In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and upload a video to Udemy. Before we dive into the platform, make sure your video is ready to go. Give it a quick polish in your editor. Trim the silence at the start and end. Smooth out any awkward pauses. Balance the audio so voices are clear and consistent. And export in a common format like MP4 or with H.264 video and AAC audio. A 16.9 aspect ratio at 1080p is a great default. Keep your file name simple and descriptive. It helps you stay organized as your course grows. Now head to Udemy and sign into your account. Look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. That opens a menu with all the creator tools you need. From there, choose the instructor dashboard. This takes you to your teaching hub, where all your courses and settings live. On the instructor side, locate the course you want to work on and open it by clicking Manage Course. This is the control center for your content and structure. Inside, navigate to the curriculum area. Think of curriculum as the blueprint of your course, sections, lectures, and the materials attached to each lecture. Within the curriculum tools, open the content area for the lecture where you want to place your video. This is where you decide what type of learning asset the lecture will contain. Since we're uploading a lesson recording, choose Video as the content type. Selecting video tells Udemy to expect a media file and prepares the player and processing pipeline for you. When the video option is active, click Select Video. A file picker will open so you can choose your edited file from your computer. If your browser supports it, you can often drag and drop the file into the upload area as well. Pick the final exported version to avoid re-uploading later. While the file uploads, keep the tab open and connected to the internet. Larger files can take time, so a stable connection is key. Once the upload completes, Udemy begins processing the video to make it playable on different devices and network speeds. This step can also take a little while, which is normal. When processing finishes, preview the lecture to confirm the audio is crisp, the visuals are sharp, and the pacing feels right. If anything seems off, return to your editor to make adjustments and re-upload the improved file. Consistency across lectures builds learner trust, so it's worth the extra minute to double-check. And that's it. You've prepared, selected, and uploaded your video through Udemy's instructor tools, setting your lesson up for a smooth experience for your students.